So what are the best penny stocks to buy on November 13th, 2024, part 2? So my next recommendation is Kalidi Biotherapeutics, stock symbol CLDI. It is up today 36% or 76 cents, trading at $2.87. Since this morning, it already traded 4 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $35 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? This is a typical penny stock pharmaceutical company. For a long time, these companies are in the process of developing new drugs for some existing diseases, and while they are just doing the research, nobody wants to touch that stock because nobody is sure that they will actually deliver something that would be approved by FDA and becomes a real commercial drug. However, if these companies produce some positive results for the clinical trials, or maybe they get some kind of initial or maybe final approval by FDA, or maybe some big pharma is interested in buying them, this is when these companies explode and could create a lot of wealth for the investors. So I think this is the case for Kalidi Biotherapeutics, because 6 months ago it used to trade around $3.20. Then it collapsed all the way to like 80 cents. And while it was collapsing, it was pretty much, nobody was trading it. There was no activity there whatsoever. However, something happened on October 24th, and they started to produce some interesting news, and the trading volume started to skyrocket. So right now it's like 5 million shares. So we had, I would say, 2 weeks of days when the stock was trading over 2 or 3 million shares a day, which is very nice for this stock. But the main thing is that in the last month it went from $1 to almost $3 today. So it went up 300%. So in that regard, this stock is kind of dangerous because you're buying it almost like at 6-month high. And if something doesn't work out with this company, or the news are a gimmick or whatever, then obviously it could collapse all the way back to $1, and you could take, like 70% in losses. But if this company has something for real, something very valuable, and something that could be sold for, I don't know, millions of billions of dollars, then this stock could go from $3 to $30. Who knows? But it's up to you to do your due diligence and make a decision. So Kalidi Biotherapeutics, stock symbol CLDI, only $2.96 a share. Next one is Iridex Corporation, stock symbol IRIX. It is up today 31% or 45 cents, trading at $1.86. Since this morning, it actually traded only 209,000 shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $30 million. So I'm not sure what's going on with this company. I don't like the trading volume of only 209,000 shares, which seems like very little, but actually for this company it's pretty big. But still, I mean, I like to see a trading volume in millions. Well, since I already talked about this company, why don't you take a look and see what kind of news are driving that stock today? Because 31% in gains, it's very nice. So I'm just surprised that the rest of the market is not jumping in on that stock inside of those gains in stock price. But maybe you should take a look and see. So Iridex Corporation, IRIX, only $1.86 a share. Next one is Pool Matrix Inc., stock symbol PULM. It is up today 32% or 66 cents, trading at $2.71. Since this morning, it already traded 570,000 shares. Again, not a lot of shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $9 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, it has the word matrix inside of it, so kind of interesting, but it could be anything. So the main thing is that the stock has been trading around $2 for the last 6 months, going up, going down. But when I say trading, it was, you know, maybe a few hundred shares a day, if that. Basically, nobody was really interested in the company, and you know, it was just kind of like unknown and not very interesting thing for the investors. However, some kind of news were released today, and this 570,000 shares in trading volume, it's actually a record trading volume for that stock. So I think you should take a look and see what's going on there, what kind of news they released, because I mean, they produced a substantial jump, and it looks like it's finally breaking out of its resistance level, which was about $2, and they're pushing to $3. So maybe you should take a look and you know, put some money into it. Who knows how high it will go. So Pool Matrix Inc. Stock symbol PULM. Only $2.78 a share. Next one is the Honest Company. Stock symbol HNST. It is up today 32%, or $1.56, trading at $6.36. Since this morning, it already traded 8.8 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $550 million, so it's a serious company. I'm buying in Costco juice called Honest Juice. I don't know, maybe that's the company that makes it. So but I like the name of the company, the Honest Company, you know, like trust us. So what can I tell you about this thing? Well, it was trading around $3 for the last 6 months, right? It was going a little bit up to $4, then go back to $3, but basically it was going between $3 and $4. And the trading volume was okay, maybe up to 1 million shares a day. However, some kind of news, well, actually the news probably were, they started to release the news, I would say about 2 weeks ago, when the stock was trading at around $4. So, and we already had like 3 days that were producing pretty substantial trading volume. And in these 3 days, the stock went from basically like $4 to $6.50. So it is building a very bullish trend, and it seems like it might continue to go even higher. But again, you have to be careful, because right now, if you decide to pull the trigger and enter at 636, I mean, you're buying at a 6-month high, and something goes wrong, this thing could easily crash to like $3 and take 50% of your money. So take a look, see what's going on. Maybe somebody's trying to acquire them because you know, they have a premium product, or maybe they have a good customer base. So but if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there. So the Honest Company, stock symbol HNST, only $6.36 a share. Next one is Our Loop, stock symbol HOUR. It is up today 32%, or 46 cents, trading at $1.86. Since this morning, it actually only traded 199,000 shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $60 million. So, not sure what this company does, especially with such a strange name, Our Loop. It's like they give you travel in time or something. So, but the main thing is that it used to trade around $1 for the last 6 months. Then some kind of news arrived, and now it's pushing almost to $2. So take a look, see what's going on, maybe put some money into it. Our Loop, stock symbol HOUR, only $1.86 a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, PNNY.APP, and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 2,000 penny stocks. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.